revolutionizing the bulk material handling in the industrial sector for over 60 years. We design and manufacture aeromechanical and mechanical conveyors, offering tailor-made solutions to automate transport and make your production more efficient. Our systems guarantee energy efficiency and minimum consumption thanks to low motorizations, no use of air nor filter and compressor maintenance, no dust dispersion, up to 60 cubic meters an hour flow rate. Long paths can be created without mixing products. We adapt to your needs, offering customizable systems. Come test your product and find out how we can help you. Leave your contact info to find out more.